Greetings, future scholars of America. Mr. Barfield here with another grammar video. Feel free to pause, rewind, fast forward, do whatever you need to do. Get the best notes possible. All right, we're going to talk about verbals, but there's 3 different types of verbals, so each video is just going to focus on one type. Before we jump into participles, let's define what a verbal is. A verbal is a verb form, or form of a verb, that functions in a sentence as a noun, adjective, or an adverb. So basically, it's when you see a verb in a sentence that isn't actually performing the function of a verb. And it might make more sense when you see examples of that. And then a verbal phrase is just that verbal plus any complements or modifier. So let's look at our first verbal. Participles. Participle, when we're talking about verbals, is a verb form that can function as an adjective. Present participle is when you have the base form of verb plus ing and it functions as an adjective. Let's look at an example. Watch out for falling rocks. Now, the present participle of fall is falling, and in most cases this would be considered a verb, right? It would function as a verb. I am falling. We are falling. But in this case, it's not functioning as a verb. It's describing the rocks. Hence, it's a participle. You can also do it with past participles, like burned. No one would eat the burned toast. Burned, in most cases, would be functioning as a verb. We burned the house down. But in this sentence, burned is describing the toast. Participial phrase is just when you have a participle plus any complements or modifiers. Let's look at some examples. We watched the best teams playing baseball. Participial phrase, playing baseball. The participle in this particular phrase is playing, which is to play plus ing, and then baseball clarifies what they're playing. The badly defeated team accepted its fate with grace. The participle in this sentence is defeated. Defeat plus ed. Defeated is describing team, and then the whole phrase badly defeated describes team as well. Badly describes defeated. You following along? Hope so. Sorry, I'm talking in circles. All right. The winners, elated by the victory. This one's easier because it's set off by commas. It's easier to see. Shook hands with the losers. We could take it out. The winners shook hands with the losers. But elated by the victory adds information to the winners. It describes the winners. They're elated. Elated is sometimes used as a verb. In this case, it's describing the winners, and it's saying what they're elated by. So this whole phrase describes winners. All right. Sound good? Cool. See you next time.